Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring the 1958 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible Coupe. This Series 62 is finished in black over red and white leather interior. It has 34,763 miles on the odometer and a 365 cubic inch V8 engine. It represents one of only 7,825 convertible coupes built in 1958. The 5th generation Cadillac Series 62 was introduced in 1957 and only carried through 1958. They represent one of the most stylish and well-received examples available to collectors today. For 1958, there was a new grille featuring multiple round bullets at the intersection of the horizontal and vertical members. Dual headlamps were now standard equipment on production vehicles, and Cadillac used small chrome fins to decorate the front fenders. The grille was wider, and new bumper guards were positioned closer to the parking lamps, tail fins were less pronounced, and the word Cadillac appeared highlighted in block letters on the fin's top edge. On the sides of the car were 5 longer horizontal wind splits ahead of the skirtless rear wheel openings, along with horizontal front fender moldings. The convertible used decorative lower rocker moldings that flowed beautifully into the polished wheel lip moldings. A gorgeous Cadillac, no doubt, and one that was truly meant to cruise the boulevard in style. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.